In this lesson, we will look at the classic method of knitting a knit stitch with needles. For the sample, I cast on 10 stitches on the needle. Our needle with the cast on stitches is in the left hand. The free needle is in the right hand. The working yarn is draped over the index finger away from myself. The yarn is going toward the ball. We will slip the first edge stitch to the right needle. Now we will start knitting the classic knit stitches. Insert the right needle from left to right into the stitch. Catch the working yarn from the index finger and pull it through the stitch. We will remove the working stitch from the left needle. Repeat, insert the right needle into the stitch from left to right and catch the working yarn. Pull it through the stitch and remove the working stitch from the left needle. That is, we are transferring the work to the right needle. Again, insert the needle into the stitch from left to right, catching the working yarn. Pull it through and transfer our work to the right needle. That is, we are knitting our stitches through the front wall of our stitches. So, each stitch consists of a front and back wall. We are knitting knit stitches through the front wall. That is, the wall that is closer to us. We will knit the last edge stitch in a way that is comfortable for us. We turn the knitting. That is, the wall that is closer to us is the front wall, and the one that is further away is the back wall. When knitting classic knit stitches, we will always knit through the front wall. I will also knit this row with classic knit stitches. If we knit knit stitches from both sides in flat knitting, we will get garter stitch fabric. But we will talk about this in the next lessons. I believe everything was clear here. If not, please ask your questions in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss anything new. Please like and see you in the new lessons. Bye bye.